Hello dear kids, this is Neha Sharma once again with you, and today in this video we are going to see the question and answers of chapter number 1 of unit number 3. As we have enjoyed the story Kabuliwala in our previous videos, and we came to know the very important points that how Minnie and this Kabuliwala they became friends, right? And what was the end of the story? That you know that on the wedding day of Minnie, once again this Kabuliwala appeared Minnie's home to meet her because he thought Minnie would have the same little girl once again. But he was surprised when he saw Minnie in the attire of a bride, and that time he realized that his own daughter, she would have, been young. So afterwards, the father of Minnie advised him to go back to his place, Afghanistan. So let's talk about the question and answers. Please open page number 47 of your book, understanding page number 47. And first is answer the following questions. And A part of this is the story begins with the mention of Minnie as a chatty girl. Chatty means talkative. Briefly state some of her other characteristics. So Minnie is friendly and mixes easily with others. She is curious girl. Curious means what? Curious means eager, right? Girl who wants to learn about the things around her. She has a lot of questions about the how and why of everything, right? She wanted to know each and everything of whatever she came to know, of the matter she came to know. So what is the answer? Minnie is a friendly and mixes easily with others. She is a curious girl who wants to learn about things around her. She has a lot of questions about the how and why of everything. This is question number 1. Question number 2 is what was Minnie's blind belief about the big man's back? So as we have read in the story, Minnie believed that there were 2 or 3 other children like her inside Kabuliwala's bag, right? So she believed that. It was her belief. So you may answer because in question it is given what was blind belief. So belief is what here? Belief is noun, okay? But I have changed that into verb here. Minnie believed that. So believed, when we talk about believed, that is verb, right? But when we talk about belief, that is noun. So you may write down Minnie's blind belief was that. Okay, you may write down, you may start your answer like that. This is also right. Minnie believed that there were 2 or 3 other children like her inside Kabuliwala's bag. Question C is describe Minnie's first encounter with the Kabuliwala. So this word encounter. Encounter means what? Encounter means meeting. Okay. Encounter is not always the police and thieves encounter, right? It is meeting. The first meeting between Minnie and Kabuliwala was when Minnie called him loudly and he looked at her, right? So see, I have given the meaning of encounter here, and I have rephrased the word meeting with meeting. So she was frightened and ran inside. Ran is the second verb, okay? It is what? Run, ran and run, right? So she was frightened and ran inside. The Kabuliwala came to her doorway, right? She peeped from the door. Peeped means to look, right? So she looked from the door, right? Or you may do peeped only. So she peeped from the door and looked at him and his back. He offered her some nuts and raisins, but she refused to take them, right? So like this, you have to answer the question. Next question is why was Minnie's mother wary of Kabuliwala? So Minnie's mother was wary of Kabuliwala because she was a faint-hearted lady. She did not trust the Kabuliwala. She feared that he would somehow harm her daughter, right? So that's why Minnie's mother was wary of Kabuliwala. See, this word is not worry, that is W-O-R-R-Y, right? This is worry, W-A-R-Y. So you may give this worry means cautious, careful, right? So this worry means careful. It is careful or cautious, right? So this is what Minnie's mother was wary of Kabuliwala because she was a faint-hearted lady and you may say timid lady. She did not trust the Kabuliwala. She feared that he would somehow harm her daughter. Next question is, why was the Kabuliwala sentenced to jail? Now, what is the meaning of this sentenced? Means given punishment. Okay. So, the Kabuliwala was sentenced to jail because he had struck a neighbor with a knife. The neighbor owed him some money for a Rampuri shawl that he had bought from Kabuliwala, but he denied having bought it, and this started a quarrel between the two, right? So this was the reason कि काबुलीवाला ने उस नेबर को, मिनी के नेबर को क्यों मारा था? क्योंकि उसने उससे एक रामपुरी शॉल ली थी नेबर ने, लेकिन जब काबुलीवाला ने उससे पैसे मांगे तो उसने मना कर दिया कि मुझे तो तुम्हारे कोई पैसे देने ही नहीं है, राइट? और इसलिए काबुलीवाला को गुस्सा आ गया, रहमत को गुस्सा आ गया। रहमत कौन है? काबुलीवाला। और इसलिए उसने उसको मारना शुरू कर दिया। So what was Kabuliwala's reaction on seeing Minnie in her bridal attire? Attire is what? That is what? Dress. Okay. What thought gripped his mind? So the Kabuliwala was shocked when he saw Minnie in her bridal attire because he realized that she had grown up and he could revive his old friendship with her. He thought that his own little daughter at home must have grown up like Minnie. So this is what these are the thoughts which gripped his mind, that her own little daughter at home must have grown up like Minnie, and I should go and just get her, see her, and a marriage should be organized, or she should get married. Kabuliwala in the story of human relationship. Elaborate. Kabuliwala is a story of human relationship that exists at various levels, such as first is what? First we have seen the relationship between a father and his daughter in the starting of the story, right? Minnie, we are talking about father and Minnie. Then the relationship between, then we are talking about the relationship between Kabuliwala and Minnie. That was the second, right? First is Minnie's and father. So that was the first relation. And the second is what? The Kabuliwala and Minnie's relation. Then the Kabuliwala sees his daughter in Minnie while Minnie sees a friend she can share jokes with. Then the story revolves around the relationship these characters share. We also see a glimpse of the relationship between a daughter and a protective mother, right? As she was cautious, she was careful, she didn't want that her daughter should meet or talk with this Kabuliwala. So protective mother and a daughter relationship also we have seen. And the story ends with Minnie's father recognizing that the Kabuliwala's relationship with Minnie and his daughter in Afghanistan, right? So these are the this Kabuliwala, you can see, is a story of human relationships. Next, the last question for today is, you have to find out the meanings, right? The same words from the story, that means given in these words are given in pink actually, the meanings are given, and you have to find out the words which are written in white. Okay, so these are the words which you have to look from your text, right? And these are the meanings of those words. So shocked is given to you. Shocked means staggered. So we have been given staggered in our chapter, right? So staggered means shocked. Next is cheerfully. Cheerfully what? It is happily. Next is wrongly. Wrongly is falsely. Next is wedding. That is what? Marriage. Celebration. That is festivities. means these words are used by Rabindranath Tagore, and these are with the words which are written in pink, these are the meanings of that. Okay, so like this we have completed the question and answers, question number 1, 2 and 3 of this chapter. So I advise you to write down these answers in your notebook and learn for your examination. Thank you very much. Stay safe, stay healthy.